let's talk about the pressures of reinventing yourself every fucking year while we do a crescent moon on our face. Because why not? That sounds pretty as fuck. Like, I'm sure I'm not the only one feeling like I keep failing my resolutions. Last year was supposed to be my healing era, and it just was not. Unfortunately, life just does not care whether you had plans or not, and does not make accommodations for your goals. And while that sucks, doesn't necessarily take away from any progress you made. And even if you don't have anything to blame it on, that is completely okay too. Maybe you need to just set more realistic goals for yourself. Instead of, I'm gonna get so fit and lose this much weight, what if you just try and set the goal as, I wanna be more active? If your activeness is starting from 0, then just even walking outside once, well, that is still an achievement, my friend. Bruh, this is coming out so good. BRB with lashes and stuff? Okay, but this is missing a very key ingredient. Can you guess what? Glitter! I'm just gonna do like a little dab of it right here. Yes. Anyway, the conclusion is set kinder goals to yourself. See you in the next one.